Hey guys, it's again Mr. Miles, and welcome back again to another episode where I'm gonna be talking about the trend, okay? And I'm gonna be sharing to you how basically you can use the trend and how you can understand the trend and how you can be confident about the trend that you're trading in. Okay, so in this video, just do one thing, like the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, okay? And if you're still struggling with a broker to start life with, guys, just check the link on the description or the pinned comment. Click on the link, open yourself a trading account, or if you need more of my help, check my details on the description and you can message me. I'm very open and very free to help any of you. Okay, so in this video I told you we're going to be sharing about the trend. Guys, the number one thing that is very important in trading is the trend. Okay, let me give you the top most important things in the forex market. Number one that you have to understand is the trend. The reason why you have to understand the trend is it keeps you knowing where you're going, okay? Because guarantee me, if you know where you're going, then you're going to be trading on that same direction, okay? So let me give you one secret, guys. Understanding the trend is very powerful and you can mine enough pips in the market, okay? Because the most important thing is I want you to learn that you have to use high time frames because you can scale down a particular pair, and let's say USDJPY, and you've known that, okay, I think I'm seeing something like 1,000 pips plus move, okay? That is a trend. So you're gonna be trading on that direction, and you have to scale down and break it into small time frame so that you can find a possible entry and you trade on that direction. That is what we call a trend. That's why a pure trader who knows what he's doing, we call it the order flow, okay? And you know very well we have two types of order flows. We have the bullish order flow and the bearish order flow. What does the bullish order flow mean to us? The bullish order flow means price is moving high. The bulls are pushing price high, and you know that when price is moving high, it moves in a series of higher highs, okay? And as I told you in another video, that it's not going to repeat the way they taught you. It moves the way it wants, okay? That is why it's also very important to understand the market structures, okay? Because price might not shoot up, it's moving in a bullish trend, but there is one thing, okay? It might not move the way you think or the way they taught you, okay? It takes patience. As long as you know where you're going, then you're going to be patient enough to move in that particular direction. So what do you know that the trend is over? That's why I told you in the previous video that you have to understand the market structure. If you've been following all my videos, to be honest, you would have learned a lot about the institutional way of trading, okay? You have to learn about the order blocks, the BMS, the SMS, the RTO, and all that, and you can see a particular change in your trading. But what will help you so much is understanding the trend, which I'm going to show you just right here in my charts. How to understand the trend, how to trade with it, how to move with the trend, and how to be profitable trading with the trend. Remember, what I only teach you is pure price action. I don't apply indicators in my trading because they lack. If you understand pure price action, then you're good to make money in trading. So be sure to keep watching the video, guys. Be sure to keep watching the video so you can understand the properties of a trend, how to move with a trend, how to know when a trend is stopping using pure price action only. We are not using indicators here. This is only institutional way of trading, okay? Just keep watching.
Now we are going to speak about the trend, okay? And this is my chart, same as DJPY, and I'm just going to speak about the trend. You know, a trend, we also call it an order flow, because an order flow is something that a rhythm, okay, like the way it's moving. And you know very well we have two types of order flows. We have the bearish order flow, okay? Then we have the bullish order flow. You can get me that? And you know the bearish order flow, it consists of lower lows. It means a bearish trend. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. That is a characteristic of a bearish trend, okay? A bearish order flow. And you know the characteristic of a bullish order flow is higher highs. Higher highs, okay? That makes up a bullish order flow. We also have pullbacks, like higher high, and then a pullback where price gains more strength. We always call it support point. This point becomes our resistance where price runs short of strong support. Okay, so this point is our support. No, I'm not speaking about support there, but I'm just telling you this is our pullback. First higher high here, second higher high here. Let me draw it for you. That is your first lower low. Sorry. Second lower low. Okay, then the same continues. Third lower low. Let me mark it for you guys. Third lower low. Okay, so this is now a bearish order flow. First lower low, second lower low, and you can see that there is always a pullback. Then price makes a lower low again, another lower low, and another lower low. So this is what we call a bearish trend. So I want you to know very well that a trend moves very well with the structure of the market. Okay, when you understand the two, you're very smart. So this is a bearish trend. Then we're moving to a bullish trend. Higher high. Okay, then second higher high, which is this point. Okay, so now the question is, guys, always when you're moving in a bearish trend, expect lower lows. Okay, when price breaks the structure like this point that I told you, we expected another lower low here. Insert arrow. Okay, this is our lower low. Okay, here, and we expected another lower low further than that one, but what price did was different. Price failed to break the previous lower low. You can see this, they are almost in the same point, but of course this one even is shorter. Okay, price failed to break the previous lower low. Then after failing to break, it broke our structure. So what I'm trying to emphasize here is you don't need indicators to tell you the trend. You just need to follow your lower lows. Okay, before trading, ask yourself, look for previous two lower lows if it's a bearish trend, or look for previous two higher highs if it's a bullish trend. I hope you get me, guys. That is what is very, very important, that it's gonna help you. Look for that. Yeah, look for lower lows and higher highs depending on the type of order flow that you're in. Okay, so now the most key important thing is that where do you put your entries? Okay, I'll make videos about entries, but it's not easy. Like entries, I basically use round numbers, I use candles, I use M15 charts, I use many things. Okay, order blocks, all the things, structure of the market. You have to be knowing all of them, not just knowing them, but you have to be knowing how to use them and how to be able to react to the market when anything shows up. So this is now USDJPY. Just look at the way this price was moving. If you grabbed like, hey man, hey, I'm gonna start trading, and you see that this is our first lower low we had, second lower low, then you'll be expecting third lower low. Price has respected this point. Okay, after the pullback, let me draw for you another block here. Rectangle. After the pullback, draw the order block. If you don't know how to draw the order block, go and watch my video about how to draw order blocks. Pull it to any size you want. See how price is respecting it. Pulls again to another lower low. Okay, that is how things are moving. Very, very, very easy. This is our first lower low. Look for your last candle. Draw the order block. The same thing. If you can't see, you just have to pay attention. You will see the people saying that, hey, I don't see other blocks or whatever. You just have to pay attention, and you see, look at this rejection, strong bearish push down. So that is just basically the trend. So guys, I will be always making videos for you. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.